How to add vanilla gift card on McDonald's app. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of more. Now click on the option of my account. Here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of payment options. Now from here, you can easily add your vanilla gift card. On the basis of the reason, here you'll find different payment methods. You have to go ahead and click on the option of debit or credit card. Then provide your vanilla gift card details, vanilla gift card number, then CVV, expiration date, and then click on done. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add vanilla gift card on your McDonald's app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.